Hello, today is the 23rd day of November 2012. Welcome to today's Turbo Silver update. Before we get going, the multiple time frame analysis on silver will either be shown tonight or later on within this weekend. The only chart shown today will be the daily chart. If there's anything else that you're requesting, any other index or stock code of some sort, please let me know. If I get nothing, it'll just be silver on multiple time frames. Anything else added, well, then I'll add it in. So let's get started in here. Possible failed breakdown below this significant 31.5 level, which was the key support from the 2612 lows in June, and of course the top of 3540 placed at the end of September. Therefore, yes, it did find support, but you had that little failed breakdown that recaptured back within the range very fast. So when I see that, and I'm looking at this during these candles in here, I got my eyes open for what looks like a possible, maybe even probable failed breakdown. From failed moves, oftentimes you get fast moves in the opposite direction. Now, how much could you justify for a fast move? Would 34 be enough? I would have to say, given the size of it, that would be the minimum. But what I'm also looking for is for this trend to reverse over. Back in here, you have the declining upper and lower bands. You have the declining 18 average, so bear market. Therefore, to get it reversed, you first had it flatten out. Nice stabilization here to get the 18 average rising. You now broke past resistance here. Therefore, for this thing to be in a bull market, what I need to see is for further explosion, really up to about 34 2/3 would be enough to say just that in there. We're back in a bull market, even 34.5, or come back, find some support, most likely at this 18 average band, and then break whatever resistance it has established thus far. The resistance is 34, but most likely going to get a little higher as the day goes forward. As far as the significant Fibonacci from here to here, I'm going to put the lines in without changing the chart, but I did mention that if 33.5 is not resistance and it really breaks up to 34, then you have to give some sort of credit for the move to be a significant one, with most likely at least a test of 35.40. Well, if we adjust the lines anyway, from point A to point B, put the 61.8 and 38.2% Fibonacci retracements. After having nice stabilization amongst the first level, it has now broken past the second one. So what I'm looking to see as possibility of occurrences, A, is this going to be support rather than what was originally thought to be resistance? B, is this a major pierce above? Sort of like how it just breaks down below fast and then re-enters it. What I need to see is for it to, within Monday or Tuesday, break and stay below this level here for that to be a fast pierce above. And are we going to have a fast move to the next level? The next level, of course, is 35.40. After that, you want to expand the time frame. But for today, we're not going to do that. We're going to do that later tonight. And thank you for tuning in to today's video. Bye-bye, and have yourself a great weekend.